portable projection technology has completely changed how people enjoy movies, presentations, and large-screen entertainment. Instead of relying on a bulky television or an expensive fixed home theater system, a compact projector can now deliver an impressive viewing experience almost anywhere. This Mini LED projector is designed to provide that flexibility, combining portability with a large display capability that can transform any wall into a massive screen. One of the standout features of this projector is its support for 1080p video playback. Full HD support ensures that movies, videos, and presentations appear clear and detailed. When content is displayed on a large surface, image clarity becomes extremely important, and the 1080p capability helps maintain sharp visuals even when the projection size increases. Speaking of size, this projector can create an image up to 300 inches. That is far beyond what most televisions can offer. Even when used at smaller sizes like 100 or 120 inches, the viewing experience feels far more immersive than a standard TV. Watching movies, streaming shows, sports events, or even gaming becomes more engaging when the display fills an entire wall. Another reason many people prefer mini projectors is portability. This projector is compact and lightweight, which means it can easily move between different rooms or locations. It can be set up in a living room for family movie night, placed in a bedroom for casual streaming, or taken to a workplace for presentations. Because of its small size, it is also a convenient option for outdoor movie setups. Brightness is another important element for any projector. This model delivers 4,000 lumens, which helps maintain a visible and vibrant image in dim or moderately lit environments. Lowering the room lights can further enhance the picture quality, giving the projection a more cinematic appearance. For users who want a theater-like atmosphere without installing complex equipment, this brightness level provides a solid balance between performance and practicality. Connectivity is another area where this projector proves useful. It includes HDMI, AV, and VGA ports, allowing it to connect with a wide range of devices. Laptops, desktop computers, gaming consoles, streaming sticks, TV boxes, and DVD players can all be used with this projector. The flexibility makes it suitable for both entertainment and professional use. For people working in offices or educational environments, this projector can serve as a convenient presentation tool. Documents, slides, charts, and videos can easily be projected for a group of viewers. Because the device is portable, it removes the need to depend on fixed conference room displays or installed equipment. The LED light source used in this projector is another advantage. LED technology is known for its long lifespan and efficiency. Many LED projectors can run for thousands of hours before the light source begins to degrade. This reduces maintenance costs and ensures the projector remains reliable for long-term use. Ease of operation is another strong aspect of this device. Setting it up usually takes only a few minutes. After connecting the power and linking a device through HDMI or another supported input, the focus can be adjusted to sharpen the image. This simple setup process makes it suitable for beginners and experienced users alike. For entertainment enthusiasts, pairing this projector with external speakers can significantly improve the overall experience. A large projected display combined with strong audio can replicate the feeling of a cinema environment. Whether it is a movie marathon, a sports broadcast, or a streaming session, the immersive effect of a large screen makes a noticeable difference. Gaming is also more exciting on a big display. By connecting a gaming console through HDMI, players can experience their favorite titles on a screen that spans an entire wall. Action games, racing titles, and multiplayer adventures become more engaging when viewed on such a large scale. The adjustable projection size adds even more flexibility. Smaller rooms can use a reduced display size for better clarity, while larger spaces can expand the projection to take advantage of the maximum screen capability. This adaptability allows the projector to perform well in different environments. Overall, this Mini LED projector delivers a practical combination of portability, versatility, and large screen performance. It is a suitable choice for movie lovers, gamers, students, professionals, and anyone who wants a convenient way to enjoy big screen visuals without investing in expensive home theater systems. The product link is available in the description for those who want to explore more details, check the latest pricing, or see current availability. Visiting the link will provide complete information about the projector and help determine if it fits your entertainment or presentation needs.